The OnePlus 7 series is expected to launch on May 14th, and yes, you heard right. There is more than one phone launching on May 14th from OnePlus. So far it is confirmed that there is a normal OnePlus 7 and a OnePlus 7 Pro. But there are also reports of a 5G variant named OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. Now some interesting details of the OnePlus 7 Pro have leaked, and it looks like it is going to be an impressive phone from the company. Starting from the display, we would have one of the biggest change. First, it is bigger than the one on normal OnePlus 7, and second, it is a Quad HD Plus display, which means the OnePlus 7 Pro is the first phone from the company that has a Quad HD Plus screen. So far we have seen OnePlus phones with only Full HD Plus displays. It is a 6.64-inch curved display with a refresh rate of 90Hz. Compared to the normal 60Hz displays on smartphones, everything just looks smoother at 90Hz. If you don't know, the Asus ROG phone of last year also had an AMOLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate. So yes, there is nothing to complain when it comes to the display of OnePlus 7 Pro. Coming to the cameras, the OnePlus 7 has triple rear cameras that include a primary 14-megapixel camera, a secondary wide-angle camera, and a third telephoto camera. So we would get a wide-angle camera on a OnePlus phone for the first time. As we already know, there is a pop-up selfie camera as well. The battery size has increased as well, as the OnePlus 7 Pro has a 4000 mAh battery with 30-watt warp charging. The same warp charging is there for the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. Talking about some other changes, there is a USB 3.1, stereo speakers, and an improved vibration motor for better haptic feedback. Well, we already know that there is Snapdragon 855, at least 6GB RAM, in-display fingerprint scanner, and no headphone jack. So what are your opinions on the OnePlus 7 Pro and its features that we know so far? Do let me know via the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.